Hello and welcome to your channel. In this video, we will be focusing on Band 9 vocabulary for the IELTS exam. We will provide you with examples of how to use these words in context by going through sample questions and answers from the exam. Question 1. Describe a situation when you help someone. Example answer: recently, I was walking to the grocery store when I saw an elderly woman struggling with her bags. I offered to help her and carry her bags to her car. It felt really good to be able to assist someone in need. Band 9 vocabulary example. The word altruistic would be a great addition to this answer. You could say, I felt really altruistic when I offered to help the elderly woman with her bags. Question 2. Do you think it is important to have a good sense of humor? Why or why not? Example answer: I definitely think it's important to have a good sense of humor. Laughter can relieve stress and bring people together, especially during difficult times. Band 9 vocabulary example. The word levity could be used in this answer. You could say, in times of stress, a sense of levity can be incredibly helpful in bringing people together and providing some much-needed relief. Question 3. What are some advantages and disadvantages of living in a big city? Example answer: one advantage of living in a big city is the abundance of job opportunities. However, a major disadvantage is the high cost of living, especially when it comes to housing. Band 9 vocabulary example. The word prosperity can be used to describe the advantage of job opportunities. You could say, living in a big city provides ample opportunities for prosperity, but it comes at a cost. Question 4. What are some characteristics of a good leader? Example answer: a good leader is someone who inspires and motivates their team to achieve their goals. They also lead by example, always showing integrity and fairness in their actions. Band 9 vocabulary example. The word exemplary could be used to describe a leader who leads by example. You could say, an exemplary leader not only inspires and motivates their team, but also sets a high standard for ethical behavior through their own actions. Question 5. Do you think technology has improved communication between people? Why or why not? Example answer: I believe technology has improved communication between people in many ways. For example, social media allows us to connect with friends and family all over the world. However, there are also drawbacks, such as the tendency for people to rely on technology instead of face-to-face communication. Band 9 vocabulary example. The word ubiquitous could be used to describe the widespread use of technology in communication. You could say, technology has become ubiquitous in our daily lives, and while it has improved communication in many ways, we must also be mindful of the potential drawbacks. Thank you for watching our video on Band 9 vocabulary for the IELTS exam. Good luck!